Hello kabayan! Welcome to Famous Heidi's Kitchen. And today I'm gonna make a Filipino egg pie, my all-time favorite. And these were actually very basic things to do and very simple ingredients. You need condensed milk, evaporated milk, a pinch of salt, vanilla, eggs, ready-made dough which I bought from the supermarket because I feel a little bit lazy today. Should be homemade, and that's it. Separate the egg yolks and the egg white. And hey, look what I've got here, magic. 6 egg yolks for the main filling and egg white later on for the topping to fold. So now I mixed all together condensed milk, egg yolks, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Beating the egg white to make a stiff foam for the caramelized top. Fold it to the whole ingredients. All ingredients to the dough. Base. Heat the oven for 160 degrees and bake your egg pie for 40 to 50 minutes roughly. And hey, be careful, it's a little bit tricky because this is somehow liquid. Now the egg pie looks ready. Voila! Let's test with the stick. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. Good. Now that it's ready, it needs to be chilled at least minimum 1 hour because it tastes very good when it's chilled in the fridge. Enjoy mga kabayan!